Squeeze, and this is Sweet. And today we're gonna make cookie.
Let's open these cookies.
I'm gonna eat that.
Yummy.
I'm gonna eat that.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Hi, my name is Squeeze, and I'm doing my homework.
Yes, and say Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
Okay. So what type of outfit do you have? What are you?
Fairy princess.
What about you?
I'm wearing boots.
Let's see your boots. Can I see your boots? Wow. Tell the camera your name. What's your name?
Well,
Sweet. Look at you. Doing homework?
yeah.
So good.
She's tracing the game.
What letter are you tracing?
J.
Look at that. Very good.
How do you make this?
Pumpkin on.
Yeah!
Yeah, okay.
Man! Now we gotta make pumpkin cookies. So yummy.
Yes.
It's so yummy, huh? So it's gonna eat
We're
it.
gonna put one here. You wanna help? Okay, here. Put one. Gotta put them in a line. Here, over here.
Pumpkin cookies.
Put one right below it. Ready?
Pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin cookies.
Pumpkin cookie. Pumpkin cookie. Pumpkin
Here, put 'em around.
cookie. Why? Pumpkin cookie.
Woo!
Bless you. Bless you, Mr. Rayleigh. We gotta eat. We gotta
Eat
eat.
the cookies?
Don't eat that. We're gonna eat
Cookie
pumpkin
time.
cookies. Don't eat that.
Cookie
We're
time.
gonna eat that.
Okay, I think that we got enough cookies on here, guys. What do you think? Oh no! Chase is gonna eat our cookies too?
Yes.
Yes.
Just like can only eat cookies.
Can I see
Rocky
Chase?
can't eat it.
Can I see Chase? You gonna show Chase the camera?
Put them in your hands so you can see.
Yum, yum, yum.
Let me see Chase.
She's eating. Take the cookie.
Thank you. Okay.
We're right back.
When the cookies are done.
The cookies are done.
There you go.
Mmm.
See?
So yummy.
Rocky? Okay.
You change spots here. Ready? This is
You get it when they come.
Rocky. Change.
Okay.
So let's put it in the oven. So we gotta show Daddy our cookies are done.
Yes. Cookies will be done. In minutes.
So it's gonna be.
Look at your candy. Let's see what we have.
Okay, can you open my candy channel?
Get all the candy.
I got water candy.
Yes, you do have a lot of candy.
You got water candy. It's gonna be ready. So the mommy and the cookies are done. And we have a balloon. And we blow it. Can you open my Skittles? Open my Skittles, please.
Are you gonna eat them? You wanna eat your Skittles?
Yes. I'm gonna open this. It's so yummy. My chain Paw Patrol. So this is my city. Wow.
Skittles are open.
What
What do you say?
Thank you. I don't like M&Ms. So cookies are ready, so it's going to be, ta-da! It's going to be ready right now. Ooh. So it's going to be ready on my mouth.
Yeah.
Now it's ready. Now it's I got it. White. So start it. Good.
What kind of candy you have, sweet?
I got this one.
Ooh, what's that?
Let's open it. What candy? Let's open it with candy. Let's open it with candy. Oh
Sugar baby?
Open it. Now they. Oh my gosh. So yummy yogurt. I got some candies.
Lollipop?
Yes, and lollipop. Lollipop. I open it. Take it out. I turn it. Then I take it out. Take it out. And I eat it. So yummy. We got corn water. So yummy. I got. Daddy, what time is it?
It's almost bedtime.
No, we're almost cookies time.
Yes, it is almost cookie time too. It's almost cookie time.
Like that. It's not bedtime.
It's almost cookie time.
No.
What do you eat? What do you eat?
I eat candy.
What's that? What do you eat?
Oh, yellow candy.
What's that?
Yeah. And it got Nom. And you eat it. Watch this. Daddy, eyeball.
Oh, there's an eyeball. Get some water, get some juice.
Mommy, we're almost cookies ready.
Almost.
What time is it? Cookies time.
Almost.
Okay.
Ooh, what's that?
Candles.
What's that noise?
Thunder.
Thunder.
It's a thunder. It's a dandle.
Mm-hmm.
What's the scary stickle tweet? Let's open those. I hear it. Okay, ready? Hey, I never do that. Paw, my head hurts. You are out, but I knew it. Bye-bye.
Daddy, do you think the cookies are small or do you think they are big?
Big.
Okay, let's see. Back up.
Wow.
Whoa! Okay, they're not ready yet. We have to let them cook a little longer.
Wow, can I try it? The cookies are very hot.
They are very, look, say the cookies are very hot, so you can't touch them. Tell Daddy, tell Daddy.
Daddy,
Yes.
the cookies are very hot.
Okay, I won't touch them. Thank you.
Okay, wait. Wait, ready? Wait. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Take it off. Go, ready? Get your cookies off your cookie sheet.
Put them here
No, just leave them on the cookie sheet. We're gonna put them.
and the plate.
Okay, get some more. Oh. That's a good idea.
Flush. No.
Spatula.
And they say that.
And they did say that today, that's right. Take a bite. Mmm, are they yummy? They yummy? Hmm?
Yeah.
Mmm, yummy? Ready? You like them?
Mm.